Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Isdone.dynamic link library and Unarc dynamic link library error on your Windows 11. So if you encounter this error, mostly is related to the installation of PC game as well as a program of large size. Large games or program have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. So if your PC ROM and hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So here we go. You can try to increase your Windows page file or virtual memory by press Windows button and R buttons, and you can try to run sysdm.cpl. So let's try sysdm.cpl. Click OK. Here you can click Advanced and click Performance Settings and click Advanced again and change virtual memory. You can untick the box and click on Custom Size. Now you can fill the blank. You can fill initial size and maximum size based on your RAM of your laptop or of your PC. You can try to learn it from the internet. For example, if you have a 16GB RAM, 8GB RAM, how many size that you can fill in this custom size in order to increase virtual memory. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click this button below. See you in the next video.